Weather can make or break your drone flight. Understanding how to interpret aviation weather reports and recognize hazards is essential for safe and legal operation under Part 107. Let's start with METARs and TAFs, the aviation weather reports you need to know. METARs are routine reports issued hourly, while TAFs forecast conditions for a specific airport over 24 to 30 hours. Next, cloud clearance and visibility minimums requires a minimum of 3 statute miles visibility and 500 feet below clouds. Flying in poor visibility or through clouds is illegal and dangerous. Weather isn't just about clouds and visibility. Temperature, pressure, and humidity also affect drone performance. Cold temperatures reduce battery efficiency, while high humidity can affect motors and electronics. You also need to identify stable versus unstable air and frontal systems. Stable air is smooth, while unstable air causes turbulence and unpredictable wind shifts. Warm fronts, cold fronts, and thunderstorms all create unique hazards for drone operations. Finally, let's cover hazardous weather phenomena: thunderstorms, fog, wind shear, and microbursts. Thunderstorms can produce strong winds and lightning. Fog reduces visibility, while wind shear and microbursts can quickly destabilize your drone mid-flight. Key takeaways for your Part 107 exam: always read METARs and TAFs. Maintain required cloud clearance and visibility. Understand how weather affects performance, and recognize hazardous conditions that may require canceling a flight. Preparation keeps you safe and ensures FAA compliance. By mastering weather interpretation and understanding its effects on drone performance, you'll not only pass your Part 107 test, but also become a safer, more confident pilot. Fly smart, check the weather, and always stay FAA compliant.